Hi everyone! This video will go over the tourism and travel activity. So in part 1, we will be using Google Maps to answer the following scenarios about travel and tourism. So for number 1, Jacob lives in Los Angeles, California. He is going to visit his family in Raleigh, North Carolina. He is flying on a nonstop flight on American Airlines from Los Angeles to Raleigh. Approximately how long is his flight? Okay, so if we come over to Google Maps, first we're going to click on Directions. Then we're going to type in the starting point, which is Los Angeles International Airport. And then we are going to type in the destination, which is Raleigh-Durham International Airport. And then if we click on Flights, as we can see here, a nonstop flight from Los Angeles to Raleigh is approximately 4 hours and 40 minutes. For number 2, Jordan lives in Orlando, Florida. She is taking a vacation to Cancun, Mexico. She is flying on a nonstop flight on Frontier Airlines from Orlando to Cancun. Approximately how long is her flight? All right. So if we come back over, we're going to type in the starting point, which is Orlando International Airport. And then we are going to type in the destination, which is Cancun International Airport. And as we can see here, a nonstop flight from Orlando to Cancun is approximately 2 hours and 5 minutes. All right, so that is part 1. In part 2, we will be using Google Earth to explore some landmarks of the world. The places that we will be looking at for this activity are Mount Rushmore, the Colosseum, and the Eiffel Tower. So first, we're going to start with Mount Rushmore. So we're going to type in Mount Rushmore. And if I click on this little person right here, this allows me to enter Street View. From here, if I click on this little blue dot, we are now at Mount Rushmore. All right, next we're going to look at the Colosseum. So we're going to type in the Colosseum. And if I want to be on the outside, then I can click around the outside. So let's say I click right here. Here is the Colosseum from the outside. I can also move these arrows. So let's say I wanted to go to the left or to the right. And if I want to go inside, I can click on one of these blue lines or one of these blue dots. So let's say I click right here. Here is the inside of the Colosseum. Okay, lastly, we are going to look at the Eiffel Tower. So we're going to type in the Eiffel Tower. If I want to be farther away, I can click further away from the Eiffel Tower. So let's say I click right here. Here's the Eiffel Tower from a distance. I can also move left, right, forward, and backward. And if I want to be closer, I can click closer to the Eiffel Tower. So if I click right here, here is the Eiffel Tower from a close-up. All right, so that is the end of the tourism and travel activity. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.